Yo YouTube, what is poppin'? Welcome to another video here from Forex for Beginners. It's your boy Pablo Pips Effects, and today this video is all about our free Telegram signals group that we'll be promoting. So today was one of the first days that we actually got it up and running, and it is now providing signals, profitable signals. But a few of you guys went ahead and caught some pips from these signals given out. So right now we are in profit. You know, they're fairly new signals. So right now we are in a little bit of profit, and I just want to show you guys, you know, how these signals work and just what to expect when you join our free signals group. All right. So the first thing I want to talk about is that the first thing you want to do, guys, when you enter our group, you want to go ahead and check out the pinned message. All right, you want to make sure you check out the message that is pinned above the group. All right, because that's going to actually be updated regularly, so you can go back and check on that from time to time, something like a notice board. All right, so that's the first thing. Also, within the pinned messages, you actually learn the strategies to implement while using and taking our signals. Simple techniques like a trailing stop, you know, moving your stop loss into profit, so that way if the trend reverses against you, you won't be losing any profit. You know, little tips and advice like that. Like I said, all of this will be in the pinned message once you get into our group, and the link for our Telegram group is in the description below. Of course, we have some premium stuff here also pinned in the message in the pinned post, but the group itself is free. All right, so you can still participate in the group for free. We also break down what risk management you should use based on account size, what lot size you should be using, stuff like that. Really key stuff that you would need to know and just pay attention to while you're trading, as for any trader. All right, so we really kind of provide you guys with the most useful information that can guide you along your trading journey while using our signals. Okay, so yeah, so right now I'm just scrolling through, guys, just showing you some of the profits we've been making here in our free signals group. Everything is just hitting profits, and it took me a while to actually just kind of get this up and running. Reason being, I wanted to be user friendly and just so you guys actually understood what the signals meant and actually how to initiate and enter those signals. I was going to use a previous type of signal where we actually provide market structure alerts. So if certain patterns or details in market appears, we'll go ahead and send that out in the free signals group, where you guys could actually learn about those patterns and stuff like that. But you know, based on customer and user requests and our member requests, we went ahead and just had that you know, changed to the TP1 to TP3, the typical TP1 to TP3 zones that most persons are familiar with. All right, so a typical TP1, TP2, TP3, and a stop loss. All right, and just so you guys can ride out these trades and signals and get the most profit out of these signals, I went ahead and made sure that these signals are given from the 30-minute or the 1 hour chart. All right, for accuracy. So that is also important to know. But yeah, guys, so far so good. Today is January the 4th, and our signals group is officially launched. All right, so if you're not already catching pips in our group, you're missing out. Okay, one more thing, guys, I want you to go ahead and just smash that subscribe button on our YouTube channel. Go ahead and give us some support, man. We're working on really good stuff here for you, man. Real profitable stuff that I don't think most traders take the time out to do, you know, for their members or subscribers. Just saying, traders are pretty lazy, man. So I'm really going out there for you guys, and I appreciate the feedback so far, appreciate the support, you know, getting a lot of support and love Really appreciate from you guys. And yeah, just wanted to update you guys in regards to that. So if we take a look here, let's take a look what's going on in MetaTrader right now. We can see that a little bit. A moment ago we were somewhere between $9 profit. Now we're rocketing. Literally, we're at $18 profit right now with those two open trades. All right, so again, real powerful signals, guys. Don't want to miss out on this. This is all free. It might be free for the entire January, February. I don't know, right? But it will be limited eventually. So you want to take the opportunity and just catch as much of these pips as you can, guys, so that when we go to VIP, you won't really be left out, you know? You won't be left out. Like, no one will be asking where you at, you know what I'm saying? So really, guys, come on, join again. And hit a like on this video if you appreciate the value that I'm sharing with you and just the effort that I'm trying to provide for you guys. I really appreciate that type of stuff. You know, it really motivates me to continue and just kind of pushes me to kind of do that shit. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, hit that like button, man. Appreciate it. So right now we have two trade signals that were sent out. As you can see, I've shown you guys in the Telegram group. It was USD JPY and NZD CAD. One was for a sell for NZD CAD on the 30-minute chart, and right now we are in steady profit with that. If we go ahead and just pull that down, you can see that we're at somewhere in the $2 profit mark there for those three trades. All right, and they're still running. I'm pretty confident about these trades because, you know, I'm seeing where it falls in line with the pro trend, and once we're pro trend, we have little to worry about. So I'm confident that these trades will take profit. So just a little bit what happens in our group daily, guys. Free signals all day, every day. You could be watching Netflix while waiting on these signals, man. It's easy pips, I promise you. If you have any concerns, my tag is always there for you to reach out to me on. It's always there. I'm always posting it. Here it is, right here. You know what I'm saying? So you can go ahead and reach out to me if you have any questions regarding the signals or anything like that. As well, we do have our system that we are about to launch for funded challenges. We're just trying to really pencil out a few things before we actually release it to you guys, but so far it's been steady. You could go ahead and check out our portfolio as well over on my FX book. All right, you can go ahead and check out our systems as well on my FX book. That is for derivatives and Dragon. And if you don't know what my FX book, again, it's a portfolio to verify traders profitably on consistency. All right, so that's basically that. So this is for system. All right, and that was for derivative. We currently have one running on my Forex funds, but I'll let you guys know about that at a later date. But I don't want to keep this video too long, guys. I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button on the video. Until next time, stay safe. I'm out. See you in the Telegram group.